Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach, here to help you plan for a brighter future and help you take more control over your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. And I'll be sharing my investment journey with you. In today's video, we'll be having a look at my portfolio, how much did I make in dividends this month, and what shares that I bought more of this month. Just a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own stock research before you invest your money. I'm just sharing my opinion and my investment journey with you, but I'm not a professional investor. So having a look at my portfolio, you will see that some of my stocks is in the red, and if we scroll down you can see the rest of it is in the green. So that gives me a total of 79.83 that's in the plus at the moment, but that can fluctuate. If you have a look at beginning of last month, I was minus 70 about. Last week I was almost plus 190. So with the shares going up and down, this changes on a regular basis. But as long as I know I am happy with the stocks that I'm holding, there's no need to sell as I'm holding them for long term, and stock tend to go up and down as everything changes all over. Most of these stocks I will be holding on to for a long time. I'll only sell these when I decide to go on retirement and actually need to sell them to pay for things, or if I don't agree with the company's policies and the way the company is running itself, then I might decide to sell some of these stocks as well. So let's have a look at my dividends. Now, as you know, I started with my first investment into dividend companies in July. So we didn't receive any dividends on that month. But in August, we received 81 pence. In September, that was £1 and 3 pence. October, that was £3 and 74 pence. And for November, we're on £4 and 40 pence for the month. I think that is a nice growth every single month. As I keep investing money, you will see the total that I've invested is £1,559 and 6 pence. If you're getting value so far, please smash that like button so it turns blue, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. So let's have a look at my dividend tracker. You will see the total amount of money in US dollars I've invested is 1,958. My dividend yield is 7.18% for my portfolio, and my yield to cost is 7.45% with an annual income in dividends of $141 US. Now for me, that has only been investing for 5 months. I think that is a great start to an annual income. For my first goal, I would like to get to $100 US every single month. But to be able to earn $141 US in a year by just investing in 5 months, it really makes me excited to know where we are going to go with this portfolio. So if we scroll down, you will see I've got Johnson & Johnson's, where I make an annual income of $4 US and 4 cents. My realty income, I make $2.81. So if we keep scrolling down, you can see some of them are really nice big amounts I'm making every year, and you can actually see the breakdown of all of them. So let's have a look at my diversification. So if we click on summary, you will see I'm invested in 6 sectors with 11 different stocks. My highest sector is real estate and my lowest sector is healthcare. And here you can see all the different sectors and how much I've got invested in each one. And if we have a look at the stock diversification, you can see the breakdown of how much I've got invested in each sector as well. So let's have a look at my upcoming dividends. So here you can see my projection for the next couple of months, how much I should be earning. Now for someone that's only started investing 5 months ago, I'm really happy with the amount of money I'm getting in every single month. So if we go back to my spreadsheet, having a look at my monthly dividends, you will see I bought 4 shares of Gladstone Comercial. Now Gladstone Commercial's current price is $18.09. They are a REIT company that invest in single tenants and anchored in multi-tenant net lease industry and office property nationwide. If you would like to know more about this company, I'll link the video on top where I go into more analysis about this company. Then I bought 8 shares of Whitestone Reit. Now they rent out retail parks and they believe they are shaping the environment where people connect with their neighborhood and each other. So they try and create a place where the community can get together. If you would like to know more about the stock and the analysis, I'll link the video on top where I go into more of all of that. So let's have a look at our quarterly dividends. So this month I bought 1 share of AT&T. So AT&T is trading at $28.75. So the purpose of AT&T is to connect people with each other with a lot of different options with broadband, mobile phones and super fiber. They also have the Warren Media, HBO Max. So if you would like to know more about AT&T, I'll link a video on top where I go into more of the analysis of this company. So let's have a look at the growth companies. So this month I bought 20 shares of Rolls-Royce. Now this is a growth stock, but this is a very speculative stock for me. I bought it because this is something my husband really was looking into and really was interested in buying. Now, due to the fact that I can't buy him the Tesla shares that he would like, I thought buying 20 shares of Rolls-Royce can't do any harm, because even if it goes to zero, I only invested £19.30 into that. But if he is right with his ideas of where Rolls-Royce is going to go, we can only go up, and I don't mind losing £19 for a share so that he can be a part of our investment strategy as well. So I will be making a video in the future where I have a look at the Rolls-Royce share in overall and actually have a look at what is my real opinion about this company. If you would like to make your own analysis about the stock I bought and want to know exactly when I bought it, what I paid for it, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can download my spreadsheet to be able to do your own analysis. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.